Welcome to Great Stirrup Cay. This is Norwegian Cruise Line's private island. There are plenty of activities for you to do here, and we're going to show you a lot of them today. Great Stirrup Cay is a tender port, so come on with us as we explore this island and show you the food and the fun things there are to do here. There are beach wheelchairs available in different locations around the island. The mood is set with some Caribbean music and a big welcome sign. Don't forget to check out when the last tender is leaving. There is plenty of signage throughout the island so you can find what you're looking for, whether that be bathrooms, food, or the excursions you were going to do. Got little carts selling drinks, and they even have a Starbucks cart. These booths here are where you'll come and get your paddle boards and things that you may have rented, or find out how to get to your cabanas and to your other excursions like the zip lines. They even have baby strollers made for the beach. They will give you a map so you can find out how to get where you're going. And the sand is white powdery sand, but it's not so thick that it's really difficult to walk. Plenty of restrooms located throughout the island. Over to the right, you'll see the food pavilion. This is where you'll come get your free buffet lunch.
It's not hot yet.
Okay, we already got the straw market coming here on my left and the right. They got a great name for it. It's called Buried Treasures Bazaar. I love it. So be sure to bring some cash with you to get your merchandise, your souvenirs right here while you're at Great Stirrup Cay. The line up ahead you see, we're fixing to get into that line to take the little cart over to Cabana number 8, where we will be spending our day. Like that little cart there. Once the tram drops us off, it's a very short walk to the cabana. And there's bathrooms right here to your left. And to the right, we'll see our first food truck. They even have a hand washing station there for you as well. Straight ahead is a couple of more places to get some food. Cabins 1 through 10 are to the right, 11 through 23 to the left. We're going to go to the right. There's some showers for you because we have cabana number 8. And when you see picnic tables, you know there's a food venue nearby. This is the barbecue place, and we'll come back to it here momentarily. The cabana we stayed in is set up for 10 people. Let's go down the beach over here and see what else there is. We got the Lighthouse Beach Bar. Tables and chairs set up right near the beach. At the Vizzy Hard Seltzer. And another hand washing station. And remember, do not feed the animals. Got another food venue here for you. Now we're heading off to the left of where we came in. These are the cabanas 11 through 23. These are right flat on the ground. You can book these before you get on your cruise, and we highly recommend that because they do sell out. And look at this awesome beach right across from the cabanas. Let's check out the beach over here, see what's going on. Oh, how about this? It's a giant pool table, and you kick the balls around with your feet. This is the private entry to Silver Cove. It is those high-end places that have the air condition if you want to rent one of those. You can see all the zip lines overhead. There are several zip lines you can take. They all start and end from the lighthouse. There are several lifeguards stationed throughout the beach as well. We're back to the barbecue where we started. This is where we would turn right where we came in. Heading back toward the lighthouse. Check out this sign, y'all. There are sea urchins out there. So make sure you wear your closed-toed shoes when you're out there in the water. What a beautiful view here at Great Stirrup Cay. That ship you see in the distance is the Norwegian Breakaway. That's the ship we came in on. This is the cabana we're at. It is no wheelchair access because that ramp is very steep. It doesn't have air conditioning, but it does have a big ceiling fan in there. Plenty of space for 10 people to sit down and relax. And look at these great views. I want to show you, if you go behind here, look at this, you got the artificial grass and some stepping stones. And the reason why is because you got your shower right here. And you got some floating mats. And look at this great area. You could just lay your towel out, your beach towel out here, and just chill out in the shade, man. Wow, this is great. There are waiters and waitresses that come around to the cabanas to take your drink orders and bring them back to you. And your drink package works on the island. Heading down to the beach now. The chairs on the right that you see are all free for anybody to use. To the left here, you'll see chairs with umbrellas. They come at an extra charge. So do the clamshells. They also come at an extra charge. But hey, look, you got waiters and waitresses that actually come down on the beach to get your drink order. Hey, here comes somebody on a zip line now. Check out our video we have on our channel of the helmet cam ride we had on this zip line.
This is what Sea Lake Journeys comes back to report. They have hamburgers, they have hot dogs, they have jerk chicken, they have corn on the cob, they have banana bread and pound cake.
I'm going over there then. Okay, we got the pulled pork sandwich here at Sea Lake Journeys at Great Stirrup Cay. And we also got the coconut chocolate bar. We got the chicken sandwich with no bun.
It's under there somewhere.
To make it gluten-free for Robin from Sea Lake Journeys. Charlie got the mahi sandwich, right? Mm-hmm. And
Ceviche.
Cindy got the ceviche, right? And what is that cake?
Rum cake.
Rum cake? How about you?
I got the pulled pork also, and the rum cake.
Okay.
The rum.
Rum cake. There's the zipline landing pad. The lighthouse. Looks like we have a little putting green out here. Work on your putt-putt golf game. While on board the ship, check your Freestyle Daily for scheduled events on the island. Here's the back side of the lighthouse where you start your zipline tours. Over to the right here is that big main dining venue. And to the left, we got your Bacardi house. We are headed back towards the ship now. Here on the right, you'll see another line going into the buffet venue. It's a pretty long line, but it does move fast. It's open from 11:30 till 2. Now up ahead, you're going to see another really big long line. That is also for the buffet. Don't forget to stop and do some hula hooping on the way out. So here's your sign showing you where to exit towards the ship. And there's the tinted walkway that takes us back to the tenders. Back on board the tender now. Off to the right, you see a Royal Caribbean ship that's parked at Coco Cay. We had a great time at Great Stirrup Cay, and we think you will too. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks!